ওকে, হ্যালো, হাই। আমি জানি না কীভাবে শুরু করবো এটা, বাট এটাই বলা বাহুল্য যে 2021-এ আমরা একবার কাশ্মীর গেছিলাম। আমি জানি এটা 4 বছর আগের ঘটনা। সো তখন আমি ওই পুরো ট্রিপটা আমার ডিএসএলআর ক্যামেরায় পুরো জিনিসটা ব্লগ করেছিলাম, এক্সট্রা ব্যাটারি, এক্সট্রা মেমোরি কার্ড নিয়ে। খুব মানে ভিডিওর কোয়ালিটিটা ভালো, বাট সিন্স ইটস আ ভেরি এন্ট্রি লেভেল ডিএসএলআর যেটা আমার কাছে ছিল তখন, তাই অনেক জায়গায় ভিডিওস ফোকাস করতে খুব প্রবলেম হচ্ছিল। লাইক আই হ্যাড টু ফোকাস ম্যানুয়ালি বিকজ অবভিয়াসলি ইটস নট আ ভিডিও ক্যামেরা, ইটস মেন্ট ফর ফটোগ্রাফি, নট ভিডিওগ্রাফি। অ্যান্ড আমি ওর সাথে একটা মাইক অ্যাটাচ করেছিলাম, বাট আনফর্চুনেটলি এই ডিএসএলআরে the one that I had did not have any way that a mic could be attached to it, মানে অ্যাডাপ্টার লাগিয়েও কোনোভাবে ওটা হয়নি। সো সরি ফর দি ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড নয়েজ দ্যাটস গানা স্টে। ইয়েস, 4 বছর বাদে ফাইনালি আমি ওটাকে এডিট করা স্টার্ট করলাম, অ্যান্ড আজকে আই এম পোস্টিং দ্য day 1, episode 1, whatever you call it, day 1 vlog of Kashmir that was shot on 20th September 2021. তখন আমি জাস্ট 12 পাস করে আমি যাই ওই ট্রিপটা উইথ ফ্যামিলি, মমের সাইডের ফ্যামিলি মোস্টলি, অ্যান্ড মি অ্যান্ড ড্যাড। সো ইয়া, এনজয় দি এপিসোড অ্যান্ড এপিসোডস দ্যাট আর গোনা কাম। আমি প্রত্যেক দিন একটা করে এডিট করে পোস্ট করতে চেষ্টা করবো এপিসোড। আমাদের 7 দিনের ট্রিপ ছিল, সো এক্সপেক্ট 7 এপিসোডস, 7 ভ্লগস ইন টোটাল। আমি এটাকে একটা প্লেলিস্টের ফর্মে সাজিয়ে দেওয়ার ট্রাই করবো। এনজয় ইট, অ্যান্ড আগেই বলে দিচ্ছি, থ্যাংকস ফর ওয়াচিং, পিস। Very good and early morning to you guys. Right now it's 6:25 a.m. I know it's very early in the morning, so we left home at 3:30 or to 4 a.m. So I finally got a glimpse of the tarmac. As you can see, flights everywhere, things are being announced. So the real problem here is like whenever you like take out a camera and start speaking to you, people will like give cringe looks. So as you can see, some people are resting, some people are having breakfast, I guess. This is the premium lounge of Calcutta Airport. So this is gate number 101 to 109, and it is crowdy, you can see that. But this portion is not, because this is like the immediate exit section of the security area, security check. Then we have our boarding from gate number 22, which is far that side. So now we just came out of the travel club lounge and now we go down. सुबह सुबह कौन पराठा और इडली खाएगा यार, अभी 6:30 बजे। So now we are heading from the lounge area to gate number 22 and finally heading over there for our boarding, which starts at 7 a.m, which seems like, and then we shall, I don't know, if I'm hungry probably I'll have a sandwich on the flight. So here's Dada, and Shafikal is here already. Hello. You can see it's really cloudy right now, and I don't know whether the flight will get delayed or not, but hopefully we have a smooth takeoff and then everything is fine, and the weather seems fine in Delhi and Kashmir. Review though, कैसा था खाना? How was the?
बहुत बढ़िया, फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपीरियंस।
मेनू में क्या था?
मेन्यू में इडली था, ब्रेड था और क्या बोलेंगे, उपमा।
हाँ,
और
पराठा।
हाँ, मेथी पराठा था, इडली रोटी बोलते हैं ना, उत्तपम, फ्रूट्स, केक,
अच्छा
पेस्ट्री।
वाह खा पाए उतना
नहीं नहीं, जो जो पसंद था बस उतना लिए। चिकन सॉसेज,
अच्छा
बीन्स।
ठीक है अभी देख
ठीक
लेना
है
अगले बार जा सकते हैं क्या
स्टार्टिंग में क्या था?
नहीं हुआ
ठीक है, वो सब छोड़ो।
आइसो आइसो
so right now I'm having some coffee and I also got the memory card 64 gigs costed me like 1400 so right now the scene is that our seat is 29 ABC and mama and all their seat are towards the front like say 3 so they will be like extremely front of the aircraft and we will be at the extreme back so they have called like from 21 to 35 I guess we will board now and they will board later but some other flight a lot of flights on the tarmac so right now we are walking to descending
Thank you for your cooperation.
we have boarded successfully so right now the time is
कृपया अपने मोबाइल फोन और अन्य इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरणों का
7:25 we should reach
एयरक्राफ्ट इज
Delhi in about 2 hours
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिगरेट्स
So right now we just reached and got out of the airplane, refreshed, and we are in the capital of India, that is Delhi. We are about to board the next flight to Srinagar, and it should depart somewhere around 11:45. We have some time till then to refresh ourselves, eat something, because I did not have anything on the flight. I was like taking a power nap or so. और आयशा जी बोलिए कैसा था फ्लाइट So this is Delhi airport. So the boarding will begin soon from gate number 41 now, and I hope it starts soon because the flight has to depart by 11:55. So right now we will be boarding the Srinagar flight. So right now it's 11:30 and we have boarded the flight to Srinagar. It should reach by 1:15. A bit of an early glimpse on Kashmir. The hills have already started, and on those hinges you can see small houses. So we just came out of the airport now, and currently it's 1:50 p.m. I just saw two MiGs fly up with supersonic speed. Like I literally heard supersonic speed for the first time. Thought that I was about to get deaf. So now we're keeping the luggage inside our cars, and we will be going to the hotel shortly. ये एक कार है और वो एक कार है. Nice. नानी अभी उठ रही है. She's getting out. Let me help. अच्छे से. Say something. How was the experience? How was the flight?
Yeah, it's quite good.
Flight was smoothest. No turbulence at all.
So Nani has taken the seat.
Yes. So just started for hotel. So you can see the typical Kashmiri style architecture as we go by. Notice the houses, the way they're built, constructed.
खत्म हो गया था पहले खर्चा किया था खत्म हो गया सारा दिया ना पड़ा ठीक है नारू का अकाउंट डाल देगा बोलो उसका अकाउंट डाल देगा बोलो पैसा समझ जाएगा वो बताने चला गया क्या किया क्या नहीं किया ये यहाँ यूनियन है इनको पता है कितना बेनिफिट इसीलिए ये हमसे ही गाड़ियाँ
So this is our hotel. We just reached here. It is 2:25 p.m. It's pretty good.
हाथ धो करके रेस्टोरेंट में बैठ जाते हैं उसके बाद फिर
तो अब हम खाएंगे खाना रेस्टोरेंट में. बहुत भूख लगी है सबको. Everyone is very hungry, I guess, and tired as well. So let's see. So this is guava juice. Everyone is really tired because we have started from like 3 a.m. and now it's 2:30. My mobile networks are full down, but good thing this hotel is Wi-Fi, so I am saved, I guess, for the day.
नहीं खा के पड़ेंगे खाने का ऑर्डर कर दिया कहाँ पे लगे
क्या ऑर्डर किया खाने में?
राइस
What?
मिक्स वेज तेरा वो भी आलू कुछ पता नहीं बोले राइस और येलो
दाल. ये कोर्टयार्ड टाइप कुछ है. ये फाउंटेन होगा. यहाँ कुछ टेबल लगे हुए हैं. मैंने इतना एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि इतना गर्मी होगा, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. मुझे लगा था कि ठंडा होगा. That is probably an eagle. So right now it's 5:10 p.m. and right now I'm standing in the hotel corridor, and we just came after doing a survey of the Dal Lake, as you can see in this photograph.
ये कौन सा लेक है मुझे बताइए तो ये है डल लेक। ये डल लेक नहीं है।
अरे चलो ना,
कॉर्नर है।
So the gondola ride starts.
Can you help someone else when you're feeling bad about yourself? How come they say love will heal everything when it hurts like hell? Can you travel the world when you don't know your way around? How can you run anywhere when your feet won't even touch the ground? So many thoughts inside of your head. I've said it before. To dance instead. Ooh, follow me around. Trust in me, girl. Ooh, let's turn things around. Start a whole new world. Ooh, let's just sing and dance. You don't need to doubt. Ooh, yes, believe in me. There's here and now. There is just here and now. Can you help someone else when you're feeling bad about yourself? How come they say love will heal everything when it hurts like hell? Can you travel the world when you don't know your way around? How can you run anywhere when your feet won't even touch the ground? So many thoughts inside of your head. Ooh, follow me around. Trust in me, girl. Ooh, let's turn things around. Start a whole new world. Ooh, let's just sing and dance. You don't need
I think there will be like at least more than 500 households, I guess.
There is just here and now. It's okay to cry, you will get by. Come on with me, let's climb mountain high. It's okay to cry, you will get by. Come on with me, there's just here and now.
When Dal Lake turns into Dull Lake, this is what happens. Just see. It's raining heavily. We got hit by the full speed of the rain and we got all wet. And I started shivering like hell. And here we are at the shop, and electricity had gone as well. I have no idea what the others are doing right now, but we are safe.